Hi guys! Do you know what is static electricity? If you don't know, then let me discuss it to you. Electricity is very important to our life. We can use it to turn on the lights. We can also use it to charge our phones.
One hour later.
And also, we can use it to our home appliances. Static electricity happens when electric charges builds up on the surface of the object, usually by rubbing two materials together.
A few moments later.
This report focuses on static electricity by using a simple demonstration of a balloon, rubber hair, and a light aluminum can. All objects are made out of tiny particles called the atoms. The atoms consist of protons, electrons, and neutrons. The protons have the positive charge, electrons have the negative charge, and the neutrons have no charge. Yeah. According to the law of electric charges, like charges repel each other, while unlike charges attract each other. Here's the picture that shows you the repel and attract process. Now, what is electrostatic force? Electrostatic force is the force that acts between charged objects. It could be an attraction or repulsion. This is also can work without even having a direct contact within the objects. This explains why objects move due to static electricity. Another important concept of electrostatic force is that the strength of this force depends on the charge and the distance between the objects. This is described in the Coulomb's law. Now, let me show you a simple demonstration of how static electricity moves an object.
Ako rin, pagod na rin ako. Pagod na ako sumunod sa lahat ng gusto mo, sa pagbabawal mo, sa pagbabantay mo, sa pagiging demanding mo. Yung mga gusto ko gawin na hindi ko magawa dahil ayaw mo, nakakasakal na. Kasalanan ko, nagisunod-sunuran ako sa'yo. Kasalanan ko, nagpasakal ako sa'yo. Okay?
Ko'y alipin mo kahit hindi batin.
Sorry. Okay ka lang? Anong masakit? Sorry. Sorry talaga. Masakit ba?
Sana iyong naririnig.
Special ka sa akin eh.
Ako'y nasasabi pagkat ikaw lang ang nais makasabing.
Special? Anong special?
Malamig man o
Ano? Special. Friend. Special friend. Sobra akong papride.
Ikaw lamang sa akin.
I want to be better. For the both of us.
Natatakot na ako na araw-araw hindi ko mahawakan yung kausap ko. Araw-araw, iisipin ko kung anong ginagawa mo, kung sinong kausap mo, kung sinong kasama mo, baka may magpakilala sa'yo.
Now let's move on to the analysis. When the balloon is shoved on air, it becomes negatively charged. That's why on the demonstration, the balloon attract the can because unlike charges, attract each other based on the law of electric charges. This process also called polarization. Now for the conclusion, the demonstration shows how static electric... Oy! Ay.
Joke lang, tol. Yung
Now for the conclusion, the demonstration shows how static electricity can cause an object to move. Plus, the demonstration results supports the hypothesis and explains how static electricity can act even without a direct contact. Now that's all for this report. Thanks for watching.